All right, you guys, we're going to write coordinates of things that are already plotted on a map. So, first, we're going to start with our house. Now, what I always do to help myself just kind of find where I'm at is I find 0, 0. So, 0 degrees latitude. Remember, these are these lines, and 0 degrees longitude. That's the tall and long lines. And I find 0, 0. I find where they intersect, which would be right about here. Now, remember, we always write our latitude number first. So, first, climb the ladder. Now, to get to the house, I'm going to have to go north 20, 40. I got those numbers by looking right here on the left side. So, I started at 0, 0, 20, 40. So, I know first I had to go 40 degrees north to get to the house. Now, once I'm at 40 degrees north, see, I'm still on 0 degrees longitude. Now I have to decide how far east or west do I have to go to get to the house. Now I'm counting right here, and if you notice, it actually counts by 20s this time. So 20, 40 isn't there. It's actually shown on the bottom, but the number isn't labeled. The line isn't labeled at the top. So 20, 40, 60. So if I'm at 40 degrees north to get to the house, I'm going to have to go 20, 40. And by looking at my compass, I know that I went west. So to get to our house, I had to go 40 degrees north and 40 degrees west. Now let's try it with our bird. For the bird, I'm starting at 0, 0. First, climb the ladder. This time I'm climbing the ladder down because our bird is below the equator. So I'm starting right here in the middle. I go down 20 degrees. That puts me on the same line as my bird. And we know that going down is going south. So I first had to go 20 degrees south. That's a little high. Let's move our text box down a little. There we go. So I first went 20 degrees south. Now, from our 0 degrees longitude, we have to count how far I need to go either east or west. Now, I'm going to have to go to the right to get to my bird. So I'm going to go 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. I'm going to check myself, make sure I counted those right. Let me follow my line. Be careful because they're kind of curved. And that puts me right in between 100 and 140, which would be 120. I did count correctly. So we went 120 degrees and we went to the right. And if we look at our compass, that means we went east. And that is how you write coordinates for an already plotted mark on a globe.